Hi, this is Leslie Josel, academic and parenting coach of Order Out of Chaos, and you are watching another episode of Lessons with Leslie. So you might be wondering why I've been hiding behind this board. There's actually a really good reason. So how many of you in your house have a student that really cannot work alone in their room? It's really distracting, the quiet, being alone. They need to come out of their room. They're constantly looking for you. They want to sit next to you when they get work done. They need the busyness of the house. I'm thinking I'm getting a lot of people shaking their head going, oh my God, she literally describes my child. That's where the presentation board comes in. Now, you don't have to get this one. This is a little big, but I want you to put this on your list when you are shopping for school supplies for your student. And here's why. If you have a student that needs to be in the middle of things, needs that household environment, they need the noise and the busyness, or they need to be next to you, or you want them to be next to you, or at least where you can keep an eye on them, then grab them a presentation board. Because most students, particularly the ones I work with, as much as they need to be out in the open, they don't want to feel like all eyes are on them. They want a little privacy. And that's where that comes in. They get the environment that they need, but if they put that board around them, they get a little bit of privacy so they don't feel like everyone is watching them all the time. The other thing I love about them is that they can actually make them into a homework station. Now, if you've seen any of my videos, you know that I am a huge advocate for moving around. I do not believe if your child can't use one, I don't believe that they should be staying still. I believe that they should be working all over the house because movement helps us lay down learning. So with a presentation board, they can hang a calendar, they can hang pockets where they can put papers, they can even have a little whiteboard that they can write notes, and it's portable, and they can take it anywhere they want around the house. They're really, truly awesome. So when you're shopping, or if you haven't gotten one yet, I want you to go out and get one. You can find them in office supply stores. You can find them online. They're not that expensive, but they're a great tool to help your student get focused and get started, but without feeling like all eyes are on them. Now, if you like these tips and tools, and I'm thinking you do, I want you to head to our website at orderoochaos.com. Or if you want more product ideas like these, then I want you to head to products.orderoochaos.com. Either way, you're going to find a ton of tips and tools that are going to help you and your student get organized and time managed. Hope to see you there.